$100 in my head.
I'm not used to being a passenger, I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, Michael.
Man like Rick.
Man like Michael. Revo sponsored, you know.
Revo fanboy.
How much they paying you, man? They paying you some dollars, I hope.
Nah, man.
So Skoda Superb, interesting car. I have filmed like a sleeper Skoda back in the day. Not sure if it was a Superb.
That had an Audi S3 engine in it, I think.
Yeah. Oh yes, you're right. Yeah, I had a Golf R. So this is similar, right? So it's 2 litre turbocharged.
Yeah.
4x4, yeah.
Yeah, same MQB platform, 2 litre turbo, running out the box, 280 PS.
It's like pretty big, isn't it? It's like, for me, this is like the size of a 7 Series. Like it's not 5. It's bigger than the 5 Series.
In terms of size, yeah, I'd say so.
But a very luxurious car, yes. You got this as your daily driver.
Yeah.
Family and.
Yeah, it had to be a family compromise that still give me some fun.
Yeah. Call it a compromise family.
Car of compromise.
Yeah. No, I'm joking, bro. So yeah, look, check it out, man. Like before we go into like the mods and stuff, check out the luxury on this thing. It's really, really nice, man. Obviously the Skodas are usually very good value for money as well. So price-wise, what are we looking at?
I'd say new. This is close to 30.
Mate, that's some serious value, man. Because it's a big, spacious car, and you got a little one as well, yeah?
Yeah, two.
2 little ones.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you double jabbed? So I can take
Mate, I'm triple jabbed. Bro, you can take that straight off. So DSG box?
Yeah,
DSG.
That's been mapped as well as the engine.
Yeah.
It's got a Revo intercooler, a carbon series closed air intake system, all Revo. Yeah, it's running about
400.
I'd say 420 on a cold day.
420 on a cold day.
yeah.
So Michael said on a cold day going downhill, 420.
I've got a Miltech.
Miltech, yeah.
Yeah, downpipe.
Love the Miltech, man. They sound nice as well.
And the quad pipes at the back.
Right.
That's a custom exhaust system by man like Eldin. EMP exhaust.
Yeah. So I filmed a Mazda back in the day. I think that it was the same company, EMP.
Okay.
So it's a custom back box, is it? Yeah.
Yeah. It's all custom from the downpipe all the way to those quad pipes.
Yeah. Nice. It's a really, really nice looking car, man. All right. So 420ish on a cold day.
Yeah. On a dyno on a hot day, 29 ambient, it was like 405.
Okay.
So
right.
I'm not being.
No, so you're right. Yeah, like cold day, it probably will be then. It's a heavy car, isn't it? Like, okay, it's got a Golf R style engine, 1800 kilos.
I'd say. Yeah.
That's like a good, 400, 500 maybe. Brakes upgraded, you say?
Yeah,
bit of chassis work.
EBC, fast road discs and pads all round. IBAC springs and roll bars as well, front and rear.
Nice. So you've touched on everything on the car, haven't you?
Yeah, I got the Polybush. The Powerflex Polybush handling kit.
And this is, you didn't buy the car like this?
No, it's completely stock.
Right, you've done all the bits yourself. Interesting to see what it's like on the road. I mean, 400 horsepower is a decent amount of power, but it's a lot of weight. So, 4-wheel drive, what you say, handling is any good? For
a car of this size, yeah. Like when I drove it home, it felt like a boat, man. And like now it's like it's all right. Yeah. For its size, I think you'll find that it's fairly compliant.
Yeah. All right, Michael, should we jump back, take a spin?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Got the mask?
Guys, just a couple of days left at your chance at winning this 580 brake horsepower Mercedes AMG C63S, which you can win for just £4.99. So it's got a 4-litre V8 twin turbocharged engine, finished in diamond white pearl, got the full premium package, only 66,000 miles on the clock, full service history, recently been MOT'd, AMG performance exhaust, panoramic glass sunroof, ghost immobilizer, and an AMG night package. The list just goes on and on. So hit the link, grab yourself a ticket, and I'll see you guys in just a couple of days time.
Before we even get into it, I just wanted to let Michael explain what it is he does. He's got a sick job, man. I'll call it God's work, but what is it you do for for a living, man?
So I manage a homeless housing service. So we basically give people a place to live and support them with issues they've got, mainly around addiction, offending, bit of mental health thrown in there.
Yeah. And that's your full-time job, or is it?
Yeah, it's my full-time job.
Awesome, man. Have you had anything high performance prior to this?
So before this, I had an another Skoda Octavia PRS.
Right, got you.
With just a turbo muffler delete,
right,
and a Revo air filter.
Yeah, it just sounds like a Golf R, doesn't it? To the right, bro. To the right, bro. It's about to just take me out of the game, yo. You definitely jabbed, yeah? You know, off camera we've been chatting for hours, so that's why we probably look like we're like bum chums and that. Yeah, bro, it's a very comfortable car. Got heated seats on right now.
Yeah, I thought I'd put it over you, man.
Bro, come on. It still pulls hard though, bro.
For its size,
yeah. You can really still feel the performance of the car, you know? It don't feel far off of like a Golf R, because I know a 400 brake Golf R.
I was going to say, because it's a lot heavier, before you were going to say it feels a lot slower.
Yeah, no, it definitely feels a little numbed down, but it's not that far off, considering we are, what, 400-500 kilos. So you're going to go stage 3 or?
That's the plan.
How old's the little ones, bro? Man's going to be stage 3 with the 2 in the back, yeah?
7-year-old boy and a 4-year-old girl.
I've been saying the whole time, guys, that for me, right now, wow, as a daily driver, this would just be unbelievable. You know, you've got that reliable 2-litre turbocharged engine. I think it's a really pretty looking car, man. It looks very futuristic. What year is it?
17.
17 years, it's brand new. Are you ready, Michael? Usually we go about 7 out of 10. Today we've got to go 12 out of 10. Whatever's gonna be is gonna be, brother. I'm very used to Volkswagens, innit? Like Golfs.
You stick it into manual, man.
What's that, to the left, yeah? You feel it really soaking up those little potholes. Sounds nice as well. Very responsive turbo. You know, these are the sweet spots, man. Like, you know, these quick spooling stock turbos, man. Look, just any gear, ready to go. It's mad. It's like I'm just driving the Golf R, bro. Feels very planted. Front end still feels nice and sick. It's mad. Feel the fact that the box is mapped, right? It's almost a seamless shift. Ah, man, it feels awesome, doesn't it? Still 2 corners of it.
I'm not used to being a passenger, I ain't gonna lie.
Absolutely no talks there. Feels like I'm in an RS4 or something. I mean, you know, you just rag about an RS4, 4-wheel drive, not feel it expose itself one bit, not understeer, not oversteer, not feeling lazy, or that is a lot of weight, but it still feels fast from the cabin. Yeah, man, car, bro.
I agree with you. It's it doesn't feel as big when you're hustling it.
When any car I've ever installed kilos lighter. Straight away from the wheel, it was like this. It just felt so light on its feet. Just like when you do lightweight wheels on a car. If you do lightweight wheels,
do you think that'd make a difference for this?
yes, your turning will be even better. You know, less rotational mass. Bro, this is the ultimate getaway car. Hey, 5 man up in here. No, I'm only joking, lads. Well, I think I'm going to end the video there. Something a little different for the channel. You know, we like to film all types of vehicles. And, do you want to shout anybody out? Obviously, Revo, I know.
I want to give a shout out to Kev from Revo HQ. I've got to shout out my brother, Arj. Otherwise he'll kill me. Man like Ola who details the car.
Yeah. Clean as well.
Yeah, Eldin who did the exhaust. His company, EMP Performance.
Yes.
And yeah, that's about it, man. Hopefully I can put them 10 there in the description.
Yeah, come on, bro. You know me. Links always in the description, guys. You know. Till next time, guys.